Hey everyone, it's Trevor here at Strathmore Dodge with this beautiful 2020 Bmw 330i Xdrive. This one has the M appearance group, beautiful pearl white paint, dual exhaust, all-wheel drive. This one has the power trunk release on it as well, open and close, intelligent key, all four doors. The interior in this is lights out. You do have the optional M Sport seating with the bolsters that can be adjusted, extendable leg rest, ambient lighting package as well. Navigation, heated wheel, heated seats, luxury and interior that you've come absolutely used to in this BMW. Beautiful. This vehicle has just over 11,000 kilometers on it. Absolutely immaculate condition, professionally owned, maintained at Calgary BMW. Just a beautiful, beautiful example of why these cars are so great. This one will not last long. Give us a call, 403-902-0434. Take it home today.